Hey, hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the LangChain projects where I've used the old LangChain components in these projects. And getting into the first one, I've created the RAG-based medical report simplifier. Here we will fetch the medical report. It is a dummy report where we use the for the this summary, medical report summary. And from this, it is like load the medical report using the PDF lumbar loader and create the embeddings. And it is stored in the vector store called ChromaDB. And it will retrieve the chunks using the Retrieval-Augmented. And it is about the project. Medical report simplifier, and after retrieving the query, like retrieving the most relevant content, it summarizes and gives the health report to the normal patient who can able to know the condition of him or to the family. And getting into the second one, currency exchange assistant. Here I have used a live tool called the exchange API. I included the exchange API key also for this, and it will use it will create the this API key is mostly used for the exchange rates and converting currencies, and it gives a live exchange rate and converting the one currency into these many currencies. If like for example, if I given the Indian rupees, it converts into all other rupees, like other currencies, and it gives the most best currency today. Like if I given US dollars have the most currency value, then it given as a best currency value. It is about the currency exchange where we use it to live call into. And third one is the AI resume builder. Yeah, getting into AI resume builder. Here user gives the his resume with the whatever the skills he have and the whatever the it's like he will give the whole resume to the AI, and with the along with the resume he will gives a one particular job role, job description along with the preferred skills. Based on that, AI will change his resume and build the new resume according to the job role, and it gives a ATS friendly resumes. This is all about the projects we are covering. The first one is a RAG based model. The first one is a RAG-based medical report simplifier. Here I've loaded the all things whatever we require like chart query, embeddings, retrieval QA, PDF from loader. And till now we have did with the all like with the calling the document loaders and splitting the text. But I have to for getting more modularity, I've used the functions. And in the first step, I'm extracting the text from the PDF and loading into the loader and using the PDF from the loader, and I'm converting the docs and returning the text. And second one, I'm building the action where I'm using the retrieval QA. For this, I need to split the text into chunks, and I've used that. After that, I'm like creating the embeddings. Here I've used the embeddings. Then I'm storing the vector store. Then I'm retrieving with the retriever. Then I'm giving to the LLM to simplify and summarize the medical reports. And for that, I'm using the retrieval QA chain. It is about the chain using LLM, and it is about all about the medical report traction. It is building the chain for these components. After that, I'm going to the function like simplify medical reports. And for that, I'm giving the prompt. This is the prompt. And for the chain, I've given the previous function. Getting into the response, we will get the first, we'll giving the query. Query is nothing but this prompt, whatever we written. After that, we will get the response, and I'm giving the results to the answer. And in the answer, if we got any kind of these things like high, low, abnormal, risk, critical, infection, these attention, these kind of keywords are existing in the PDF, then it will give you like take care of your health. Else give the same. And some simplified answer explanation like JSON format about the whole response, and it is a recommended things I keep like these are the primary things you needs to cover by the every patient. So I given the manually for our better purpose. You can implement like using the LLM also based on the people's like patient concerns. But for this project, I given the manually in the JSON format. Then after this, the main execution is here. I'm here loading the PDF path, and I'm giving the path. It is a vector to PDF. This is a project where I've used, and it contains the demo all things and somewhat names, and you can find the low risk, moderate risk, high risk, and how much he has the medical reports, how is the condition of it. And after that, we will get the simplified report about him, like take care of it. We have the brief side on the right hand. It is important of that, whatever the given by the LLM. Your heart rhythm is normal, blood test are normal, but one test showing slightly elevated results. And chest X-ray was done, but the report doesn't mention any issues. Overall condition, your condition looks safe and stable. It is the answer generated by the LLM. It is about the reports, analyzing the reports and summarization of the medical reports, and it giving the whether you are safe or in danger also. And the query, whatever we written in the prompt, it will do the whole thing. And getting into the second project, here we are using the currency exchange assistant, and it is nothing but it makes the live exchange rates using the exchange API, where it uses some currency conversion logics also. And these currency codes we are using in the project: US dollars, Indian rupees, European Union like euros, British pound, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss francs, Singapore dollar, New Zealand dollar, UAE dirhams. And for the base, I use the exchange API key. And here I'm fetching the rates from the API key. It is about the live room calling. It's all about. After fetching the API exchange rates, I will convert the currency from one currency to another currency, from currency to two currency. Then I will find the best currency to get based on the whatever we get from the converted currencies. Then I will print the converted currencies and the best currency. And getting into the $1,000 from currencies USD to Indian rupees. For $100, I will get the 9,588.5 Indian rupees. This rate 95.8%. And best currency is Japan yen, and it is a 159.1437. Here I'm printing the which is the best currency based on the US dollars, and it gives the 159 for the Japan. And all currencies which are compared with the dollars, and I got the answer. It means I'm from the dollars I'm converting into rupees, and from like it giving from dollars to the Europeans and all some other things. It is how the currency exchange is working using the live tools. And getting into the third project where we build the AI resume builder. Here I've used the simple components like LLM prompting and the structured out for the structured output. I use the JSON parsing, and these are the things I've used. It's not like the live tool calling or the RAG systems. It is basic LangChain components, whatever we use, like chains, prompts. In getting into the project, I call the API key, and given the some stuff because of if API key is not worked here, then this terms comes into the picture. If it whether the pointer key is not working, if else pointer key is not there, it comes into picture, and it will be make into the JSON format. And you can like you can implement RAG systems also right here by uploading your resume. And here I given the prompt like I'm giving the model to like your goal is to you need to be hacked as a expert resume writer, and I provided the context like given a job description and list of candidate skills, produce a JSON of the following contact summary, skills, education, वगैरह. And I've given the job title, job description, and skills. And you need to output the and I'm giving the LLM to what the output you need to mention and what the output you have to give. You need to give the context summary, skills, experience, education, and it should be ATS friendly. And you need to prioritize the keywords from the job description and map the candidate skills to job need. And for the preparing LLM for better response or better results, I'm using the few shot prompt template. I've given the example to the LLM to work like this. I've given the title, job description, skills, and the example for the example prompt as example prompt. We have built the prompt. It is building the prompt, and whatever the prompt built by the function, and it is given as a preview. It is about the prompt preview, and we are giving the function called extract JSON from text, where it will extract the JSON from free LLM text output and it validate it. If it's found the JSON format, it will return. If not, it return the old text and the parsed resume output. For this, we are using the this extract JSON from text, and we will get loading the into the JSON and getting into the chain. Here for the structured output parsing, I'm extracting the JSON from free text using the extract JSON from text and parse resume output. I'm using the chains and model in the function called generate resume, where we can use the prompt LLMs and it will give the response. Whatever we get the response, we will parse the resume output into parse one, and we will return the format resume in the text format, and we are giving the some input to the LLM like job role is a senior data engineering, description is a scalability pipelines, and the required skills. Based on that, it given the in the JSON format, and for because of it given the because of I use the JSON docs, and here I've used the format resume MD, and so that's why it's given in the resume format, like in the text way, and it given the whole thing whatever we required to keep in the resume, and it is about the AI resume builder. Hope you understand very well about these projects. I think we have completed successfully LangChain components and some projects on LangChain. I will try to post these old projects in the GitHub, and I will try to keep the GitHub repo link also. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and like the course, please subscribe to my channel and hit like button. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.